What is up, guys? It's Cookie here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a Gorilla Tag player model plus Gorilla Tag Locomotion. First thing you want to do is actually set up the scene. What I'm going to do is create 3D object in cube. Then I'm just going to size it to where it's kind of like a floor. Now I'm going to go to Edit, Project Settings, XR Plugin Management, and Install. Then once it's done, I'm just going to do this. You want to click on it again and press Open XR. You want to click on Management again, go to the Android tab and press Oculus. Once that's done, then you want to go to Open XR. Once it's done, then you want to go to Open XR, go to the Computer tab and change this to Multipass, to the Android tab and change it to Multipass too. Then go to Oculus, change this to Multipass, low overhead mode, go to the Computer tab and Multipass. And go back to OpenXR, go to the Computer tab, and you will see this list. You can create any ones that you want. These are the controllers. I'm just going to do MetaQuest Pro, Oculus, and Valve Index. Now you want to close out of Project Settings, the Window, Package Manager, and go to Unity Registry, and search up XR. Go to XR Interaction Toolkit and press Install. While you're doing that, then you want to go to Unity, and you want to go to the top right and click Asset Store. Then click this search bar and search up Photon Voice 2. Then scroll down until you see the free one, Photon Voice 2, and then click Add to My Assets. But I already have that, so then you want to search up Photon Pun. You don't want to click this one, you want to click this one, free. Then click Add to My Assets for this one. It should be done by the time you're done. You want to go to Samples and go to Starter Assets and Import. While that's doing that, you want to go to Photon. Then right here you want to click Create New App. Then change this to Pun. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Test Pun. And create. Then create a new one. This time change it to Voice and create Test Voice, or whatever you want to call it. Now that you've done that, then it should be imported. You just want to close this, and you should be right here. You want to press Starter, Presets, and then one by one you want to add these. Once you've done that, then you want to go to Assets, right click, Import Package, Custom Package. Then you want to go to my Discord, and you want to go to Fan Game Help and download all of this. Then import Gorilla Locomotion and press import. By the way, if you don't mind, please like and subscribe because it will help a lot. Anyway, then you want to press yes for these files and other files that might be found later. And it will say the following open scenes have been changed on disk. And you just press reload. And you'll see that your stuff is gone. You just want to delete all that and just redo it. Then go to Edit and Project Settings again. And go to Preset Manager, that's right below Player. Then you want to change this to right and this to left. And go to Resources, Gorilla Prefabs, and drag this right here. Then we'll see your player models right here. But we want to have a real Gorilla rig. Press Gorilla Rig, delete this, and then change it to Origin. Then press XR Origin. And you don't have to change anything right here. You just want to drop down, and you just want to drag Gorilla Player in Camera Floor Offset, then drop the camera in Camera. Then change this to Floor. Now just clear this, and then press play, and then voila, your player rig is right here. Then just drop down, grab left hand controller, and if you press down, you can jump. Now we're going to set up Photon, which is multiplayer, and the Gorilla player model. So what you want to do is go to Window, Package Manager, My Assets, then you'll find Photon Voice 2 and Pun 2 free. You just want to press Import 2.59 into Project. Once that's finished, then press Yes for these files and others that might be found later again. Once that's finished importing, then you go to Pun 2 free and import that. Once you're done, then this should pop up. If it doesn't, then you just want to go to Window, Photon Unity Networking, and Photon Wizard. And press Setup Project. Then the Photon, grab your pun, and paste it here. Then press Setup Project. And close this. Now you want to press Import Package Custom, and import this Photon VR package. And you just want to press None, and then All, and then Import. Once it has imported, then you want to go to Resources, Photon VR, Prefabs. Then you want to grab all these three and just drag them into the scene. Then you go to Photon VR Manager. Then you want to paste in your app ID again. Grab your voice app ID. Then set this to whatever region you're in. Mine is US. Then you want to drop down Gorilla Rig all the way. Then you want to drag camera into head. Left hand into the left hand slot, and right hand into the right hand slot. You can change this to whatever color you want. This is just to test if it works. I'm going to change it to green. Then set this to 20. Just press play. Then once you're in, you should see this. You should import TMP essentials, but you just want to turn off and then do that. Then you want to press Import TMP Extras. Once it's done, then you can just close this. Now press play. And you will see that you are joining a code. And now you're in a code. Then you want to go to Scene. And you should see the player model right here. Then just go out of play mode. Then go to Photon VR. Go to Player. Then click Import New Asset. And you just want to import your rig. Now make a folder and name it Textures and drag this in here. Import new asset. Once you have imported all of your textures, then you want to drag TMP into body. Then you want to grab VR hand, body, got this, and just turn off mesh render. Then just leave the head. Now you want to drag your Gorilla Rig in the head, like that. And you just want to resize it until the head like matches. Then just drag this down, turn it 90 degrees or whatever facing way. And you just want to keep on resizing it and making sure that the head aligns perfectly with Gorilla Head. And if you're missing some textures, then just drag it on. I'm gonna say that this is good. Then just turn off VR head mesh render. Then you want to go into your Gorilla Rig, grab both hands, and turn on update when off screen. Most tutorials don't tell you this, because if you don't turn it on, then once you enter the game on VR, you won't be able to see your hand. Now you want to grab the player name, drag it down to the chest, and just make it align with the chest like so. Then you just want to rescale it down a little bit, where it's kind of like not too big. If you've done that, then you can change it to whatever font you want. And you want to go into your Gorilla Rig again, and then you want to find the hand bone. The hand bone is the one that's like rotates the hand. Then you want to create another folder called scripts. Then go into it and then import new asset. Then you want to import fast IK fabric. Once you've done that, then go back to the hand, then drag the fast IK fabric in there, and just go to the other hand and do the same. So as you see, this is my right hand. So what I want to do is go to right hand, and just drag that to target. For pole, you want to go to 2 bones up, and just drag that into here. Or if you can't find it, then this is just the upper arm. And just do the same for the left hand. Then you want to rotate the hands 90 degrees, like this. And just do it on the other one, 90. And there. Now, file, and press play. Now once you connect, you'll see that both of your hands are on top of your head and your rig is fully working. And you can grab right hand, just move it. Then you can see these spears. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove that. When you press down and you jump, what you want to do is grab both spears and turn off mesh render. Anyways, hope you liked this video. I'll see you guys later, and goodbye.